Hey everybody, going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Google Classroom for assigned work and quizzes. For the purpose of this, I know you'll be using it for your math block. I will be using a classroom that Mr. Lobb set up as the teacher, and he put me in as the only student. So our classroom is titled Testing 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and just click into that classroom. Although if you notice, just looking at it with all of my other classrooms that are in here, I've got my block 1, block 2, block 3. I've got my math teacher group, my distance learning group, my advanced learners group with Mr. Knoplo, all of these different classrooms. The nice thing about when we start using these quizzes and assignments within Google Classroom, when you click on this box, you're going to see what's coming up and what's due for you in the future. So I'll go ahead and click into the classroom. Right away, it takes me to my stream. That doesn't change. Any assignment or quiz that we assign to you will be listed in the stream, along with anything else that we manually put in the stream, like a Zoom link or something like that. Okay. You'll see in this box right here, upcoming, all of the things that you have due that are coming up. Okay. Everything that's due that's coming up will appear right here, and you can click on it through here, or you can go into your classwork also and click on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click my classwork. Again, it also has a list here with the due date. Mr. Lobbs is giving me the weekend to get these done. Okay. So we're going to start right away with the assignment for the day. He has a PDF in here. Okay. We might be putting videos in here. We might be putting PDFs in here, forms in here for you to fill out. But you're just going to go ahead and click on it, or click this button here that says view assignment. If you put any comments in here, they would be listed here. He's just got the PDF, so I'm going to click on it. He wants me to do all these problems. Now, we don't have copies for you guys, so you're just going to use notebook paper and rewrite these problems and create them. So I'm working on notebook paper, and I'm going ahead and just writing everything out as I do these problems, putting them on these number lines. For example, problem B, I'm going through and working on this thermometer and trying to find out the temperature for each of these cities, and I'm tracking this on my notebook paper. As I finish, I need to do two things. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of my work, because I want to, every time we do an assignment or a daily activity, you guys are going to take a picture of the work in your notebook. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go right down to your launcher bar. Okay. Get all of your apps listed here. Find your camera. Click on your camera. Your camera is going to show you the work that you're going to do. So I'm just putting my face in here, and I'm going to take a picture right there. Okay. Once I take the picture, I can exit out of the camera. Now I'm still at my assignment. It says add or create. I'm going to create or add a file. Okay. When I add a file, it says select files from your device. I'm going to do that because I just took the picture, and it's going to be in my images folder automatically. So I just go ahead and select that one that I just took, open it in there, upload it, and I uploaded my work right here. There's all my work. When I'm done uploading it, I can turn it in, just like so. Click turn in. It's turned in. Any comments I might have for Mr. Lobbs, this goes only to Mr. Lobbs in this private comment box. If I want to add something to the class, make sure it's math related. But if I wanted to say something to the class, I'd enter it in class comments. Mr. Lobbs, I am done, but had issues with problem 2. Okay. That way I can let him know that, hey, I had a problem with problem 2. If he decides to make a group with that, or he wants to connect with me on that, that's fantastic. So I go ahead and I send him that comment. Okay. All right. So now I'm done. Okay. I can go back now to my classroom. Notice that the assignment is no longer on due Monday because I turned it in. When I go to my classwork, it's marked turned in. I've got everything in there. I uploaded my work. Everything's good. Now I have to take my daily quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my daily quiz and just click on the quiz. Okay. Mr. Lobs has a few problems for me. What is the square root of 144? Well, I know the square root of 100 is 10, so I know it's got to be pretty close to 10. Looking through the answers, well, 12 is there. Let's try 12. 12 times 12 is like 10 times 12, which is 120, times 2 times 12, which is 24. Add those together, I get 144. That has to be my answer. Okay. And then I just scroll down to the next problem. Who has the best TikTok? Mr. Selk, no way. Mr. Rowe, he's pretty good. I am the master. Mr. Ewing, I'm not even sure he knows what TikTok is. He might. And then Mr. Lobs is just too young to have any sense of TikTok, what is cool and what isn't. So I'm just going to go ahead and put me. Their math team account that's gone viral. That could be a close second, but I really think it's still me. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. I've got both my questions answered. I hit submit. And I can view my score if I want to after the fact. I got the first one right. Mr. Lob said, no, it's the math team account that's gone viral. I disagree. But I only got 1 out of 2 right. So I can see how I did on that. And then you just click out of it, go right back to your classwork, and you'll see that it says turned in. So when I go back to my main page, woohoo, no work due soon. You'll be able to test this. I want you guys to go into your classroom every morning as a way to kind of see what's happening, what's coming up. If you have any questions on how to use this, please send your teacher an email. Otherwise, we are all good to go. Thank you for listening, and we will talk soon.